Today, we are demonstrating the Phoenix 2700 DH hot roll laminator from Southwest Binding. The Phoenix 2700 DH roll laminator is easy to use. It has 10 variable speed control settings and a reverse film clearing function. Standard film widths are clearly marked on the supply shafts. This eliminates film alignment guesswork. A sturdy feed tray with paper guides allows the operator to adjust for any project up to 27 inches in width. A removable safety shield prevents contact with the rollers during the laminating process. Press the red button and lift upward. The feed tray is also removable, but the machine will not run if it is detached and is an important safety feature. Adjustable supply roll tension helps the operator eliminate wrinkles in the finished product. 2 1/4 inch diameter rollers ensure smooth, even lamination. The 2700 DH roll laminator loads quickly and easily. It accommodates films from 1.5 to 3 mil on 1 and 2 1/4 inch cores. It is perfect for posters, graphics, and large-sized jobs up to 27 inches in width. Lamination projects become effortless. A heavy-duty 24-volt DC motor provides powerful, reliable operation. A sleep mode activates after 3 hours of non-use. This lengthens the lifespan of the motor to protect your investment. A unique cleaning function offers trouble-free maintenance. To activate this feature, remove the safety shield and engage the reverse function. You may now wipe the rollers with an approved cleaning cloth. Residue is easily removed. It is that easy to produce professionally laminated projects with the Phoenix 2700 DH.